In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SteamVR games not launching. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first thing you need to do is click at the top left corner on your Steam right here and click to exit. Then you will come to your Windows search bar, search for Steam, click with the right button and run as an administrator. In my case, the Windows here is on Portuguese, but it's the same process, run as administrator. After doing that, you come again to your Steam and you need to verify the integrity of SteamVR2 files. So you click on the game that is not launching, Common Properties, right here your local files, and verify the integrity of game files. So click right here and wait until the verifying is completed. Then you can also disable or remove a conflicted software. If you are using another VR software, you can disable or remove from your computer. Then, if all this doesn't work on your computer, you can reinstall your SteamVR, okay? And this will fix the SteamVR games not launching. I hope I helped you how to fix SteamVR games not launching. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.